No, dominate YouTube, but what if you could generate unlimited viral content using AI? In this video, we're showing you exactly how to create monetizable cat videos in minutes. Cat content gets 26 billion views yearly on YouTube. AI tools let you generate thousands of unique variations instantly. No filming, no equipment needed. You create the prompt, AI handles the rest. This means consistent uploads, faster monetization, and zero production headaches. Runway AI generates stunning video from text. Midjourney creates hyper-realistic cat imagery. Synthesia adds AI dye generates stunning video. Synthesia adds AI direction automatically. Combine these tools, write a prompt about a cat scenario, generate visuals, add trending audio, upload. Each video takes 30 minutes. Your channel grows. Use the structure a adjective cat action. In settings, cinematic lighting, 4K quality. Example, a curious orange cat discovering a laser pointer in a modern apartment, golden hour lighting. Specific details boost engagement. Test variations weekly. Track which generate highest retention using YouTube analytics. Hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Upload 3 cat videos weekly for consistency. Enable ads immediately. Add affiliate links for pet products in descriptions. Consistency beats quality lights. You scale faster than competitors. Your first $100 arrives in weeks, not months. Ready to start? Like this video, subscribe for weekly AI creative guides, and comment your favorite cat breed below. Ready to start?